Kitten discovers fish tank. Or as my wife likes to call it, welcome to Cat TV. So you may be asking why I have goldfish in here. And I'm trying to re-up the tank. Apparently fish in freshwater pee a lot. So that's what the plants need to survive. So yeah, that's what we're trying to do. Revive the tank, revive the plants. I have a 200-gallon pond outside and then another 125 out front, which is kind of a fountain. So we're trying to start the aquaponics, I think they call it. Try to grow our food faster without the need of dirt, because the rats are getting in the way, and rats won't go in ponds. So, yep.